Hello and welcome back to Growing Family Garden. The sun is out and the garden is racing into summer. Today we're going to show you 5 fantastic vegetables to sow in May. Most types of winter squash can be sown now to grow over summer and be picked next autumn. These thick-skinned veg store well and can be enjoyed over the winter months. If you want these iconic Christmas dinner vegetables, then the start of May is the perfect time to sow them for the big day. Both autumn and winter cabbages can be sown now for harvests from autumn right through till next spring. These can be a valuable crop over winter when little else is freshly available. Yes, they are part of the winter squashes, but in a family garden, pumpkins deserve their own slot. Sow these now to be carving in scary faces for Halloween and making the most of the tasty leftovers. Before we get to the number 1 vegetable to sow in May, this is a reminder that you can still sow seeds that we've featured before in our other videos from February, March and April, either as new or succession sowings, so that you can have abundant harvests this year. French and runner beans are the number 1 seed to sow in May. These fast-growing and heavily cropping plants will add vertical interest to your allotment or veggie plot. The more you pick, the more you get. We're just a small channel starting out, so if you like what you see, click subscribe, hit that like button and share it with your friends. It'll really help us out. See you later.